Good day everyone, and this is the voice of ApariUpdates. Welcome to my channel once again. Alright, so today we shall be diving into one of our projects that we have been running for a while now. That is Xenea wallet. Okay, so for like 2 or 3 months ago, they brought about wallet creation, wherein it affected a lot of accounts concerning the Google backup data and local storage and the likes. You understand? And it disrupted, even I was affected. You understand? However, they created and they made an update, so to say. So here is a guideline on how to create your wallet and how to store up your login details so that you don't miss the opportunity of having to log in again. All right, so here's what you have to do. First thing first, ensure that you update your Xenea app, whether through App Store or Play Store, whichever app that you use. So what you want to do is to tap on login after you must have updated, of course. So you tap on login. All right, then you choose your preferred channel, either through Google or through Apple. As an Android user, I click on continue with Google. All right, now here's what is tricky. Some of us have multiple accounts in which we can log in with different emails. All right, so I'll be making use of this email down here. All right, so you tap on it. Once you have done that, then it will show you your account, your balance, and everything that you have, but you can't log in yet because the app has been updated. So the next thing you want to do is to tap on continue right here. All right, then you tap on I have read and blah blah blah, and if you want to go through the privacy policy, terms of service, you can as well. So tapping on continue. All right, so right here is we have two things to do, which is basic security and creation of wallet. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to attempt the basic security. So right here, what you want to do is to impute your passcode, pin code, and what have you. So you do that twice just to confirm that what you did. Now what we have here, remember we are still under basic security. All right, so the next thing is biometrics. Though we have been given options, it is not compulsory, so I'll be tapping on set up later. All right, we are done with basic security, so we are moving on to create wallet. Then you tap continue. So right here is where you will be attempting to store up questions, that is possible for example, in case you misplace your phone, you want to move your senior data, that is your login details, into another device or PC. You understand? So these are really simple. So let me quickly run that. So you'll be given two questions as it is written here, set security question 1 of 2. You understand? So let me just quickly do this. And while you are answering this, ensure that the answer you are to put will also be the same answer you will put later. Because say for example, if you put, okay, they wrote here, what is the name of the town where you spent your childhood? You understand? If you put Chicago, you know, this Chicago all through are in small cases. All right, if I should do like this, you can see that the C is the only letter that is in capital letter. Ensure that whenever you want to move your data to another device, it is also written just as you have done, or just as I am doing now. Let your Chicago be Chicago, either first letter is first letter, others are also Just you understand what I'm trying to say in that. All right, so I'll quickly run this. And this right here is where you confirm what you have written earlier to understand the to confirm that you are actually the owner of this account, or you are a human and not a robot. You understand? Okay, so you can see right here it says correct. Okay, the second one you can see right there it says correct, so you cannot make any mistake. All right, so what the next thing you want to do is to proceed. Okay, now here's where it becomes confusing for a lot of people, so don't let it confuse you. All right, don't let it confuse you. So right here it says that Google Drive local storage. All right, now this Google Drive plus local storage, it didn't work as at the first time they brought about this wallet creation and storage blah blah blah. It didn't work, and now it still isn't working. So what you want to do, you tap on local storage. When you tap on this, they will bring out a notification that says without cloud storage you may lose access to your wallet if your device is lost or changed. Consider your backup options carefully. For more details, please click here. Now this notification is very correct, and it is important that you adhere to it. However, here's what you are going to do. Then once you remember, we were here before and then I tapped on local storage. So the next thing is to tap on continue. All right, now what I did, I took a screenshot of my previous answers, just to for future reference. So you then slide down here, you slide to confirm. All right, so once we've done that, your wallet creation will be created. Okay, congratulations, your wallet is ready to continue, ready to go rather. Then you tap on continue. Okay, now once you've done that, your QR code will be given to you. So the next thing you want to do is to one, take a screenshot. Okay, then the second is to download. It is very important you download. Now under your QR code, your email will be under it for those that have multiple accounts, you understand, so that you can identify which QR code you want to use to log in next time. So you tap on download QR code. All right, I have done that. So let me quickly answer to this, go for today's answers rather, then maybe today's answer is the Shiba Inu. All right, so just a little bit, I'll be done with that. All right, so I am done with that. So the next thing you want to do is to just cancel this. Click on this X gem campaign, you cancel it. All right, then you tap on these settings here, then you log out. Remember, they say if you log out without saving your key, you will lose access to your crypto and NFTs. All right, so yes, before I log out, here's what I am doing. Okay, you remember I downloaded my QR code and I made a screenshot. So what I do is that this screenshot and the downloaded QR code, I send it to my PC. All right, so when I want to log in back, I then tap on the option that says scan QR code. However, there are other ways you can also log in case you don't have another device that you can scan. So I will also put us through on that. So you log out. Ensure that you have downloaded your QR code or you have the screenshot before you log out. It is very important. So tap on login again. You go to your preferred email, you tap on it, then you click on continue like I said earlier. Now here's what I was talking about. Remember I told you Google Drive is not working, local storage and scan QR code. So you have two options, all right? So you tap on your local storage. This scan QR code is for those that have multiple devices in which they have sent the downloaded or the one they made a screenshot on. All right, they've sent it to the other device. But for those of us with just one device, so what you want to do is you tap on local storage, all right, then it will bring you to your phone device. Then you click on documents, all right, then you see a file. It will be automatically created for you on your mobile device. You tap on this Xenea wallet right here, then you will see the QR code that you downloaded. You tap on it and automatically it will log you in. All right, so you can see that I am in. So you tap on ongoing gem campaign for you to log in. All right, you will be able to see all your details. So it is very, very. I will also advise you that aside from downloading the QR code on your device, I will advise you to also share it to maybe to your Telegram for those who have multiple devices. All right, just share the QR code to your other devices, maybe your Telegram or WhatsApp or any social media that allows sharing of files. Okay, then you can make use of the scan login method. That one is very, very fast. Okay, I am saying this for those when they download the QR code, sometimes you might not see it on your phone on time. You understand? So just make use of the scanning method. Okay, that will be all on that, and I do hope you follow through it. If this is your first time coming across this channel, ensure you click on the follow button, like and share this video across our numerous social media. And if you want to get daily updates, you can join our Telegram or WhatsApp channel for daily combos and more updates on airdrop and so on. All right, I do wish you a lovely day ahead. Good luck and goodbye.